Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, we're going to answer a question from one of you guys. I told you guys on Instagram that I wasn't active due to personal reasons for a little while, and we're back. We're back and we're going to be back better than ever. And while I said that, I also asked for you guys if you had some questions or some video suggestions. And I had one from, let me see, Gina. And Gina asked what to do after getting funded, how to build up more funded accounts and strategy to do that, I think she means. So that's what this video will be about. What to do once you get funded. And I know a lot of you guys are struggling to get funded in the first place and you are still building your way up there. If you are not there yet and you're struggling with it, please check out other videos. I will make sure to make more videos about it, how to get funded in the first place. But if you're almost there, if you're at stage 2, or if you are already getting funded, this video is definitely for you. The main thing that I see happening is that people get funded and they lose their funded account immediately. Why does this happen? This happens because now you're realizing this is real money and real money that you can earn. So you want to make as much as possible as quickly as possible, and you want to make sure that you're getting paid. But that is just the reverse thing that we actually want to do. We want to make sure that we are not getting paid as quick as possible, we are just surviving. So the first thing that you need to remember is survive. Survive to live another day, survive to keep your account, and survive to be able to even get that payout. Because if you lose your account, all your efforts were pointless. All that hard work is gone and your money is gone because you're only getting the fee refunded once you get your first payout. So please make sure you make it at least until your first payout. So how can we do this? Minimize your risk. Once you're funded, minimize your risk. This way you will give yourself more chances in order to grow and in order to survive. Once you won a couple of trades, you are going to be building up a buffer. What I mean with a buffer or a bunker, anything you want to call it, is that let's say you have a 100k account, you want to be up at least 3%. So you want to be up at least 3% until you're going back to your normal risk. What this will do for you, you will have 3% more that you can risk. So instead of the drawdown limit of 12%, you have now 15%. This will give yourself a little less stress and you will be able to survive longer. I would say once you're up 6 to 9%, then you can up your risk to be a bit more aggressive with your trades. But remember, the main thing in trading eventually is surviving and is just staying above break even and is not going into drawdown. So that are the main two things, or actually the three main things, is focus on surviving. That is the first thing, not on growing. Keep your risk small. So risk 0.5%, risk 0.25%, depends on how big your account is, of course. And create a buffer. Create a buffer of at least 3%, and then you will up your risk up to your normal risk or up to aggressive risk. But even with the aggressive risk, I would wait until you're up 6 to 9%. That is how you will keep your account. Then what goes for psychology is that once you're at, let's say 5% in the profits, 6% in the profits, 10% in the profits, you will realize this is a lot of money. Especially if you're doing 100k account, a 50k account even, a 200k account, let alone a 300k, right? If you're up 5% on the 300k, you're up 10k almost. No, I'm saying that wrong. You're up 15k. Yeah, you're up 15k. So that's a lot of money. That is legit a lot of money. So what you're going to do is one of the two things. Most of the time you're going to do is you're going to be scared to trade. So you will have that 15k and you will be scared to trade more. Please, if you're at 15k, even if you're at 10, even if you're at 5, stop trading. Realize how much money this is. Realize how many salaries of you these are. Just realize the amount of money that this is. This is not just numbers on the screen. This is legit live money, guys. And realize how much money this is. Secondly, you will want to make more. So even if you're at 15k, your mind will say, why not push it to 20? Why not push it to 25? Why not push it to 30? Guys, be content with what you have and accept with what you are given by the markets. Just accept it. If it is for your first payout, please just aim low. Aim so low that it is so easy to get. 3k, 5k, 10k. Please stay under that. Just aim for a normal result and aim for normal returns. Don't aim for 20k results, don't aim for 30k payouts or anything like that. They will come later. But make sure that your first payout is a payout. You get money in your bank and this will pay for all the failed challenges, right? Once you have done that, then you will be shooting for the stars and then you will be going up higher and higher and higher and risking more. But for now, please aim low. So what comes with it being scared is also when you lose some percentages that you already made, is that you want to make it back. Also, don't fall into this trap. If you are on a losing streak, just stop trading. As long as you're in the plus, you're above break even, you're making money, right? You're getting paid out. Let that sink in. You're getting paid out. So this is how you will keep your account, okay? It is all to do with your psychology. Make sure that you get paid out and make sure that you're not risking too high. Focus on surviving. Then the second thing is how to scale this up, right? If you follow me for a while, then you know that I always preach start with a small account. Start with a 20K, a 10K, a 50K challenge, but definitely not with a 100 or 200, right? So let's say you have a 20K right now. And let's say you make a $1,000 payout, right? A 5% payout, $1,000 payout. It's really nice. What I want you to do is take half of that and go for a 100K or a 50K challenge. I want you to build your way up. I want you to build your way up there and to get yourself used to these big numbers. Because trading a 100K challenge and a 20K challenge, they are not the same. On a 20K, you will be losing 200 when you're risking 1%. But on 100K, you are losing $1,000 when you're risking 1%. These are different numbers and you can't underestimate this. You really can't underestimate this. You're basically losing half a salary a trade, right? And once you're making money, you're making a month's salary a trade. So you will have to get used to this. So take it easy while scaling up. When you have done the 20K, go for the 50K. When you've done the 50K, go for the 100K. Once you have done these and you have passed these ones, then you can scale up, adding another 100K, adding a 200K, and now you're making money, right? Now you're making the big bucks. So make sure that you get those payouts so that you can afford those new challenges, that you can level up yourself, that you can level up your trading accounts. Then you want to be maxing out your funded firms. So I would say max out my Forex funds, max out ftmo, max out the funded trader, and I think then you're settled. What I would say is something that I'm doing right now is fund your own account with those profits. So fund your own account with the profits that you get from the prop firms. We don't know if prop firms will be around forever. We don't know what will be happening to them with these economic situations going on right now. I would say don't bet your money on it that they will be around forever. So always come up with a plan B and make sure you're building up your own account in the meanwhile. That said, with not knowing that they will be around forever, make sure that you have accounts with multiple funded companies, ftmo, my funding funds, etc., like I said, right? So that is the easy way for you to build up your capital and to build up your trading career. This is literally the most easy way. This is what I will be doing this year. I will be going for that $1 million under management. So yeah, still a long way to go, but that is something that you can aim for once you are funded and once you're established. So build your way up to that 100K, get some payouts, right? Stack some money, get some money in the bank, create your own account, put 30% of your payouts aside to your own account, save the rest, and fund your new challenges. That is how you are building up your capital. Now some quick talk about YouTube. That's been going really hard lately. We have hit 5.8K in 5 months, guys. That's really insane, and I can't thank you guys and girls enough for these results. It's really insane. I've never thought that we would make it this far this quickly. So yeah, I'm really thankful for that and I'm really grateful for that. I want to run it up to as much as we can this year. I have big goals, so I'm going to work hard for them. But I really appreciate every single one of you. You're all here from the beginning. And it is just really great to see what a community we're building, also on the Discord, on the Instagram, just on all platforms. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I will be back better than ever. I had a quick break and right now we're back with 2 videos a week, so stay tuned for that. Again, if you have any suggestions for videos, questions, suggestions, topics, let me know in the comments down below. I've seen a lot of you guys day in the life. A video like that will definitely come, believe me. I think it will be fun to film. So yeah, don't suggest day in the life, that one will be coming already. But anything else, just let me know. We'll also be filming a beginner's course on YouTube, just like from day one, whatever to do in order to be profitable. These are just like a bit of the topics that I will cover already. So if you have any more suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. Guys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like down below if you did. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.